Today we talk about how can you change your username on your app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here. You click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click in this sign here above your name. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to username, and here can you change your username here. Then you click on save. So then it's going to change with you here, and when you click on save on your app, that's all you have to do to change your username. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.